Why do 97% of scientists agree that climate change is real? Let's find out. Climate change is a complex and multifaceted issue that affects every corner of our planet. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, its impacts are far-reaching and profound. But to truly understand why the scientific community is so united in their stance, we need to delve deeper into the causes and potential solutions. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. It manifests in various ways, from the melting of polar ice caps to the increase in extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts and floods. The air quality in many cities around the world is deteriorating due to pollution and smog, which are direct consequences of human activities. But what exactly causes it? To tackle this global challenge, we must first understand the primary drivers behind it. The science is clear and the evidence is overwhelming. Let's break it down. First up, greenhouse gases. These gases are crucial to our understanding of climate change. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in our atmosphere, creating the greenhouse effect. This effect is essential for life on Earth, as it keeps our planet warm enough to sustain life. However, human activities have significantly increased the concentration of these gases, intensifying the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. Think of it as a giant invisible blanket that's slowly making Earth warmer. This blanket is getting thicker and thicker, causing temperatures to rise and disrupting weather patterns. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting ecosystems, sea levels, and even human health. Next, burning fossil fuels. This is one of the most significant contributors to climate change. Energy from coal, oil, and natural gas is a major culprit. These fossil fuels have powered our economies for centuries, but at a great cost to the environment. When burned, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Factories, cars and power plants pump out tons of carbon dioxide, the main ingredient in our greenhouse gas cocktail. The transportation sector alone is responsible for a significant portion of global emissions, with millions of vehicles on the road every day. Then there's deforestation. This is another critical factor in the climate change equation. Trees are like Earth's lungs, absorbing CO2. Forests play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate by acting as carbon sinks. They absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping to offset emissions from other sources. When we cut them down, we lose a vital tool for managing greenhouse gases naturally. Deforestation not only releases stored carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, but also reduces the planet's capacity to absorb future emissions. This double impact makes deforestation a significant driver of climate change. Agriculture and livestock farming also play a big role. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas that is much more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. And fertilizers release nitrous oxide. These agricultural practices are essential for feeding the world's population, but they come with environmental costs. Both are powerful greenhouse gases that accelerate warming. Methane emissions from livestock and nitrous oxide from fertilizers contribute significantly to the overall greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating the problem of global warming. Finally, certain industrial processes, like cement production, emit greenhouse gases as byproducts. The production of cement, steel and other materials is energy intensive and releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. Even making everyday products can contribute to climate change. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we use, the manufacturing process often involves the release of greenhouse gases. Understanding these causes is the first step toward taking action. By recognizing the sources of greenhouse gas emissions, we can begin to address them through policy changes, technological innovations, and individual actions. We can all play a role in reducing emissions and protecting our planet. Simple actions like recycling, using renewable energy sources, and planting trees can make a significant difference. Every effort counts, no matter how small. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let's choose wisely. Our actions now will determine the kind of planet we leave for future generations. By making sustainable choices and advocating for policies that protect the environment, we can ensure a healthier, more resilient world for all.